Big.
Whoa, good job. Got some more.
Good job.
Good job.
Hang on.
Look, here's a really big rock. You might have to hold it with 2 hands. Big. Yeah, here's another big rock. 2 hands. Hold it. Throw it. Oh, whoa. Good job.
Big.
Yeah.
Big.
Okay, let's find some more rocks. Here's one. It's a big rock too. Careful.
So big.
Oh.
So big.
Throw it to the big tree. Here you go.
Big. Oh, man. So big. This again. Oh, this again.
Good job.
Oh, go. Down. Oh, no. Oh.
Looking for another rock?
Yes. What's that say?
You want to throw it that way?
Yes.
Here's a rock. It's pretty big. Is it heavy?
No.
It's pretty heavy. Careful. Whoa.
Oh.
You're strong.
What's that say?
Yeah, here's a little rock.
What?
Good job.
Gone.
Yep, you threw it in the woods.
Again?
Whoa, good job.
On the bed. What is it?
Here's another big one. Last one, then we gotta go back. Whoa.
Back?
Yep, you wanna go back? Where Mama and Mamat is? We'll go back to Wilson's. We'll go see Mama and Mamat, okay? Yep, let's ride the 4-wheeler again. Yep, you ready? That's a big rock. It's stuck. It's stuck, it can't come out. It's stuck in the ground.
Oh.
Yeah. Yep, we'll save it for later, okay? You ready to ride? You ready to ride?